Say hello to everyone, True. Look,
Hello.
True
hello,
is
hello.
back. True is back and he's
I'm
alive. Yes. So good to be back.
Oh no, it's been forever.
Alright, here's what. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'm gonna test the quality of the stream. You know the drill. I'm gonna
Okay.
tweet everything in the world.
There you go.
And I'm gonna open a beer as well. I'll be right back.
Oh, very, very good, very good.
See ya.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, wait a minute. I'm having technical difficulties. See, why is this not streaming?
I'm back. You okay, True?
Yeah, I'm having some weird. I don't know. YouTube is not getting my stream signal, and then that. Oh, that's why.
You forgot to post the key, paste the key.
I did the key, but for some reason it was set to the backup YouTube server. Now I'm on the primary. Okay, that should work now. I don't know why it was on that in the first place, but.
In the meantime,
Okay.
let me welcome Claude and Flarewolf and King Tim and Dada.
Hey.
Apparently Dada's stalking, Dada's stream stalking King Tim.
Nice, Nada is everywhere.
It's funny how I run into the same people sometimes in the different streams. You know, I mean, you get the usual ones like on Matt's stream and Amy's stream and Alicat. You get that, but sometimes you on some random YouTuber stream and you run into Chase, for instance. Are like, oh, Chase is here. Hi. So funny. I'm gonna open a beer. It's 6 a.m. everyone. Listen to this.
Oh yes.
Ah.
Okay, now I'm starting my stream.
Are we live on your stream?
I am going live. Oh, I should be live. We should be live. I'm here. I'm alive, and I'm with VloggyBuddy.
Yes, welcome. You see, guys, I told you guys, True is alive. There he is. There he is. He's alive. I told you. Nobody would believe. There he is. He's alive.
Alive and well.
Okay, so the room is ready.
Alright.
It says 2. Hang on, it says 2 out of 2. I think someone else is in here. It's not you, is it?
I'm not in yet. No.
No, it says 2 out of 2. Someone else is here now.
Oh boy.
How do I kick somebody out?
Oh, I don't know. There's never been enough people here.
I should put in a password. Dang it.
Oh boy.
Yeah, King Tim agrees. Chase is everywhere.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna start the game with this guy. What if I press start game? Let's see what.
Oh yeah, it's full. Yeah, I can't even join.
Hang on, let me see if I can kick him out. Let me see if I can. Kick him
out. All right.
The guy is ERWT. No, I don't want this guy. Oh no, we're starting a game with him. No.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
How did I kick him out? Dang it. Can you get a room ready real quick? Cause
yeah, let me hold on.
I had it ready so I can save time, and somebody else went in. I should put in a password.
Hey, you know what? Actually, my stream. See, my stream's not even live. Why is my stream not going?
Too much growth weakens an organization.
It's live.
What should be important becomes overshadowed by greed. Mass production? Ridiculous!
I can't. the cutscene? I don't know why I can't skip the cutscene. I think Have didn't press start, so he wouldn't let me. No, go away, random user. I want through. Vara, welcome. This is a tough scenario, True. Remember how hard it was? That's what
Wait, which one are we doing?
We're doing decisions. Remember the one where I was holding the door and you were trying to figure out the puzzle and I have no idea how you did it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, you know what? I'm not live actually. It says I'm live.
Oh no! Oh no! We want you to be live. Are you gonna face cam? Okay, hold on. Exit. Are you still there, True? Guys, he's gone. No! He's dead! He dead! Press any button to continue. Do you want to override it? No. You want to quit the game? Yes. True has gone quiet. Hold on, did his internet die? He's still there, he's still live. But... Oh, there he is, welcome back. You went quiet for a bit. Yeah, you went quiet for a bit. And I'm like, no!
Oh, boy. Man, of course it worked earlier. It's failing hard on me, it's failing very hard. I don't know why.
I'm setting up a room again. Or are you just create one? Did you manage to create one?
Nah, I didn't even make one because this thing is giving me so many problems here.
It's okay. I'll set up one real quick.
I'm gonna stop streaming. Oh no, I can't restart if I actually stop the stream.
I'm gonna call the room. True is back.
Oh boy, oh boy. Let's see. Stream. This is key. Primary server.
You see, it's been so long that you have to stream that your computer forgot how to stream.
I know. OBS is like, no, I don't know you anymore.
He's like, what is this?
Help me, please.
Okay, the password is poop. Nobody's coming in now.
Okay, there we go.
Unless somebody's watching the stream and is like, let me troll them.
Yeah, they're just waiting. Aha!
Easy. Okay, and we're gonna play the scenario decisions. And finish.
Oh!
Okay, I created.
Oh, I'm live.
You're live. Well, once again,
I'm
we're
really
live.
this time.
True is live once again. Oh man.
Hello, Raven and Pinkton and Dada. How are you guys doing tonight? Let me mute myself here. I'm hearing me.
Kingdom would love to watch both streams, but his cat broke his laptop screen today. Oh no! That's why I don't get a cat. That's why I don't get a cat.
That cat. That's a dead cat.
That's why I don't get a cat, or kids,
yeah, exactly.
or a wife. They break stuff.
All right, I got Vloggy. Oh, what's up, V4?
The Vloggy team and his not very outstanding friend.
Oh, what's up, V4? You're dead to me. Oh wow, I just got a weird message. OBS, the studio is disconnected, reconnecting. I've never seen that before. All right, I don't even care. Whatever. I'm just trying to play some Outbreak. I'm tired of these shenanigans.
So, so your stream is acting up.
It looks good on YouTube, I think. I don't know, Drew. Let's see, Dada, Raven. I don't know. Is the stream okay?
I don't have your stream because I mean I would love to open yours as well, but I mean I'm streaming. I'm using Discord. I got my stream going on. It's a lot of bandwidth going on, and I don't want to start lagging in the game as well.
Good. I'm lurking on yours anyway.
The same cat
Hold
that
on.
broke my PS3 7 years ago. I would chain that cat to the toilet.
Oh yeah, cats. Like one of these. Oh Raven, I am good. Oh no, Dada's gotta go to work. Oh Dada, that's right. You're a night shift guy.
Same here.
Videos interrupt. Oh wow. OBS is constantly disconnecting and reconnecting. That's very weird.
Are you using OBS Classic or OBS? Which one? Which OBS are you using?
I'm using the studio one.
The studio one, yeah, the same one I'm using. I think. Hold on.
Yeah,
Which one
and I
are you
just updated it too. I don't know. Yeah, my stream is like freezing on YouTube.
using?
I see
That's
it now.
why. That's why I don't. That's why I don't update usually apps or software or
Yeah.
anything. I
OBS.
hate updating stuff. It's working fine as it is. I don't want to risk not working. Look, I see you in my chat. I just realized there's you.
Hey.
You're doing your
Okay.
pose.
Oh yeah, that's me. Is it a capital boob or lowercase boob? Does that matter?
Uppercase boob. Uppercase boob.
Okay, good, because I don't even know.
Here's a phrase I didn't think I would say today. Uppercase boob.
Uppercase boobs. Which one's
Boob.
that?
It's just one boob, I think. I didn't say
Boob.
Boob.
Just
Yeah,
boob.
boob.
Oh, dang it. Half the words are... Which Japanese wording that means enter? Nope, that's lowercase. Nope.
It's I think if you press
Nope, that-
start when you're done. I think if you press start when you're done,
Oh.
it moves down. Well, that's what it does to me actually, but I don't know.
Okay, there we go. Nice. I'm in.
You're in.
Oh man,
I
my,
see you.
my
Yes.
stream
I see
totally
you.
stopped.
There he is. Help me, please.
Help me. All right,
Help me,
I'm gonna
please.
restart OBS because it's being stupid,
No
and if
problem.
that doesn't work, then I guess I'll just no.
No problem. There's a cutscene going on, so take your time.
All right.
Boobs with a Z.
Boobs with a Z. That's super sexy.
This guy looks like Wesker. This guy in the cutscene. He looks like Wesker. But instead of sunglasses, he's got like
Too
regular
much
spectacles.
growth weakens an
Oh yeah.
organization.
Oh, why are we doing this one again? Why are we
Becomes
punishing ourselves?
We have to finish this. We never finished this one.
Mass
Oh, this is the
production.
shark one.
Yeah, this is the shark one.
Ridiculous.
I'm gonna
Oh,
rely.
man.
I'm gonna rely on your memory, True. I know it's been a while, but I don't know how
Oh,
the puzzle
God.
was done. I remember you doing the puzzle, but
Yeah.
I don't know what you did honestly.
One masterpiece is enough.
hopefully it
Tyrant
comes
is gonna chase us around. I remember that for sure.
the tyrant.
This is okay for a while.
Oh god.
We've had so much time. I should have watched the walkthrough, but I didn't.
Yeah.
I'm so
I
stupid.
forgot that this was even part of that level.
Ah, look at the police station.
This place too. What?
I can't wait till we start playing Outbreak File 2.
Dear George.
Oh yeah, huh?
File 2 we
I
have to get
have
through the
vital
police
information about the current city crisis which only you will understand.
Alright,
I'm
that
waiting at the
means-
university. Please contact me as soon as possible. Peter Jenkins. This is Raccoon University. Why
That's the
there?
university, yeah. I remember this. This is
RCU.
this is the toughest level of all, huh?
Oh god. Alright, let me see. I think my stream.
One hopes we are wearing pants. I am not. I am not wearing any pants. of course.
Pants!
Of
Pants are for
course.
suckers.
Pants are for suckers.
What are you, a
like this.
sucker?
No
Alright.
pantsu. No pantsu.
We don't believe in those things here, Juan.
Alright. Okay, so
Alright, let me-
we started the game. I don't know if
Hey!
I don't know if you're ready, but
I am ready. I just need to look over the controls again.
yeah, you
Okay,
can
that runs. Let me, well, let me get my gun out.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna take my gun out. So, do you remember what needs to be done? I have no idea.
Oh, man.
No, what I remember
That is
is zombies chasing us even in this main hall, I remember.
Zombies chased us. I think we got... Dang it. We got like 2... Oh! There's a... behind here.
King Tim's going to bed. See ya, King Tim. Thank you so much for hanging out.
Take care, Tim. We gotta get those moose eyes.
Yeah, I remember you. Yes, I remember opening this room area thing.
Oh. Hey, my stream's working, I think.
Yes!
I don't know. Hey, oh, Dada's just kidding. He's not going to work.
Yes! That's even more yes.
Dada. And Raven is working right now. Oh, Raven, you got a sweet job where you can watch streams and work.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay. Yes. And I was answering Raven. I've been good. I've just been working a lot. And I'm in training too, so I'm the new guy, so yeah. But I'm still alive and around. Okay. Although I might not be alive for very much longer because I'm playing Outbreak.
How do you do the help noise?
Thank you. Please help! I suppose.
Wait, how do I say help me please? I already forgot.
To me, it's the analog to the left.
Please help!
That's
right.
Help me! Help me, please!
Help me, please! So good. So good.
Okay.
Now, which room? I'm gonna let you decide which room.
Oh, man. Oh, is it lagging, Raven? I honestly don't know. I've reset OBS, and YouTube and OBS have been acting weird, so I do apologize. I don't know what to do right now. I'm just gonna go with it. If it's really crappy, hop on Vloggy's stream. Hopefully it's better there.
It seems to be alright on my end, at least.
Yeah. I'll hopefully the next time I stream, I'll test it out when I'm not like scheduled to stream to make sure it's working next time. I'm being a bad streamer. Let's see. I think upstairs there's that one. There's something with a fireplace to get one of these stupid things. Dang it! It's all blurring together. Okay, I'm gonna grab this first aid spray, I guess.
The moment we go through the first door and we come back, zombies are gonna start coming into this area. Oh, look!
Yeah.
Herbs. We've got herbs.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Mix those babies together.
Mix those babies together.
Get those babies.
So, how are things with your work right now? Did you get used to your new job?
I mean, I'm the new guy, but it's cool, and like the day goes by really fast. I'm moving around all day, so that's actually pretty cool.
Let's
so
go through this door and see what happens.
All right, here we go. Yep. Please.
Did you say you're gonna switch to part-time once you get the hang of the job or something?
Yeah, once I'm done with training, I'll be on part-time, but I'm still trying to go full-time, but I'll be part-time for a while. Oh, zombie coming! That was quick. And stay dead, please. Okay. Yeah, so after a couple more weeks, 2 or 3, I'll be back to part-time, so I'll have a lot more free time then. Alright, I hear the zombie.
Hang on, I got an iron pipe now. I can fight him with my pipe.
Nice.
If you move these, you can get to find stuff. Be careful, because the doors are. Hang on.
Oh! I heard somebody's coming in.
Me too. Yeah, I heard him.
I'm getting in my shooting stance. I don't see any.
Is it this door? I think it was this door. Am I right?
Oh yeah. Let's go in here. There's definitely. I think one is definitely in here. Whether or not. Whether or not it is.
Oh, there's an herb if you want to pick it up as well. Oh, there's something here. I can pick up these spectacles. Hold on. Do I need the brass spectacles? I'm gonna keep them. Yeah, I'm gonna take them.
Oh yeah, you did something with that last time. I don't even remember what you did.
Oh, watch out!
Okay. I'll shoot him if he touches you.
Nah, he's not gonna touch me. Take that, you son of a biscuit.
Get him.
There, go pick up the herb. There's an herb next to.
How dare he?
Alright,
Oh, there's a gun right next to you. If you want to grab that, then you can use that. Saves. Let me grab this herb here.
Yeah, pick up the herb. We might need it.
There's something else over here.
Should I take the gun just in case? Let me take the gun just in case. Then if anybody...
Oh, here's yeah, just take the gun. It's extra bullets anyway.
I know.
Antivirus.
I know.
Does that slow the virus?
I'm not so sure. Ooh, yeah, yes, it does slow the virus. Yes.
What percentage are you at? You just got hit, so maybe.
Yeah,
you
8. I'm up to 8 now.
Here you
Yes.
go. Yeah. Present. There you go.
Present. Oh, I can't. I gave you the herb instead. You can have it anyway.
Oh.
It's alright.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll hold on to it.
Let's see if I can place the spectacles where... Oh, the door's opening. The door's open. Let's see, can I... Oh, it's open. Hold on.
Okay, let's. Do you want to leave?
My face! Let's get out of here.
No, I don't think we need to be in here anymore.
Yeah.
We have to find a room with a fireplace.
I know where I need to put these spectacles on. Hold on. Just follow me. Be careful of the zombies. Because sometimes I don't stay around corners.
Oh, yeah?
I think it's this way. Yeah, it's here for sure. Hold on. Yes.
Okay.
Look at that bookcase. See what's gonna happen.
Oh,
watch out! Ooh, it's amazing what I just saw. You just saw shot like rapid fire, like Matt does.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going in through this door. Let's see what's inside here.
Okay. Oh man, OBS is just constantly disconnecting and reconnecting. Sorry to anybody actually watching my stream because it's probably frozen.
Oh, I know where we are. I remember this. I mean, I don't know where we are, but I remember this. There.
I am here. I'm linking yours and mine. So if anybody is here, they can go over there and see it. Because mine is just, I don't know what's going on. Deal with it another day. Oh yeah, the little electric shock area.
Yeah, exactly.
Does the tyrant come here? Can we like lead him down? And
yes, we are. Yeah, we are gonna. But it's just gonna stun him. It's not like we're gonna kill him that way.
Oh, damn it.
Yeah.
Help!
Oh, man. Opening up all the wrong windows. Ah, where's my game? There it is. No, get down.
Help! Please help!
Oh, yeah, I forgot you dance again.
I'm dancing with my pipe. I'm dancing, I know. Oh, you wasted a bullet. Nice.
Bad. I have 1 bullet left. That's a terrible thing. Yeah, there's like nothing down here though, is there?
I don't know. I think we're gonna go around in circles, to be honest with you. I just unlocked this door. Let's see what it is.
Oh, okay.
I think we need to dodge as many zombies as possible in this scenario.
Yeah, we haven't even found any more bullets. That's
Oh, I
really
remember.
bad.
I think it's. Is it this one perhaps?
I just want to see what's this way.
927. I got a part of a torn memo. It says 927. I'm not sure what that means.
Oh. Well, there's like more herbs over here,
Yeah,
but I'm like
let's leave
kind
them
of
there,
loaded on health.
Yeah.
I guess I'll take one more and mix it.
Yeah. Let's see where this leads. I'm not so sure. Hold on, let me check. I remember entrance hall. This leads to the main hall actually. So this is a dead end kind. Well, not a dead end, but.
Oh,
I'm
just back to the big main.
Yeah,
room?
I'm back in the main hall. Yeah.
Let's see. Did you come back in this door?
Hold on. Where? Let's go through this door. Oh, okay. Yeah, go through that door. Yes, and you're gonna be in the main hall. I'll wait for you there.
Okay.
We're gonna try to determine. Okay, I know which door. Maybe you took another door, perhaps.
No, I'm coming in. I just wanted to see what was down the hall.
Okay, there you are. Yeah. Let's take this door. Let's see where this takes us.
Okay. Oh, I didn't see which door you went in.
The one in the corner. I'm coming back out so you see which one. It's a waiting room.
Oh, corner. Oh, this corner. That corner.
I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
The
There's
doorknob's
zombies in this
broken.
hallway for sure because I heard them.
Okay. Oh god. Which door? Oh, I see you. I see you. Okay.
Yeah, it's this one. Let's go this one. I think it was this one. Not so sure. Let's go.
Come on!
All right.
Come on!
Help me!
What is this? Trophies and medals. I don't hear trophies anymore. I think they're gone. Yeah, they're gone. I think it is this room. I think it's this room.
Oh yeah, this is the puzzle in this room, but we need
I remember going around the table so I can distract zombies. I remember doing that.
yeah.
I don't think it was making any difference though, because zombies spawn at the door. The door starts shaking and
Yeah.
it opens on its own,
There's-
and then a zombie
There's
comes
gonna
in.
be a bunch. Yeah.
But I think I think I can hold them off while you do the puzzle. I think.
I think I need to find the puzzle again. Wait,
Hang on, what's this?
was it this room?
I'm not so sure. Push this one, see what's behind. There's something here. Pick it up. See what
Oh.
it is. It must be a goodie.
What do we got here? Oh, first aid spray. Okay,
Oh,
I
that's
have
You
I have all
Yes.
all herbs and first aid spray. So if you get hurt, let me know.
This one.
Oh man, my stream is like officially broken. Alright,
I don't think it's a connection because I hear you crystal clear.
yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Handgun rounds. Here's what. I'm gonna give you the handgun rounds and give me a healing item.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Present. Take them, please. Thank you.
Oh, I hear a door. I hear a
Yes, I
zombie.
hear
Let's
a
go.
door.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh.
Oh, I hope this is the room.
Is it?
I don't know.
No, don't
No, this is not the room. Shiny over
Oh,
here.
this is the same room? No, this is the same room we came from.
Oh, what the hell? Oh yeah, this is.
Over there!
What about this door? Hold on, what about this door?
Is it the end of this hall?
This is a door. This is a door. I forgot this is a door. Testing passage A. The one with the red thing. I don't know what it is. It doesn't even look like a door. Oh, hang on. This is the hang on.
Wait.
Where are you? Where am I? What's this? Oh no.
Oh, there's a zombie. That's a
coming
zombie
back.
cop.
I'm coming back.
Whoa, crap. Let's try and shock him.
Yeah, you can do that. I remember doing that. last time.
Yeah, eat it, zombie. Although that didn't stop him. Crap. What door did you go in the door of the main hall?
I'm back. Where are you? Are you still here?
I'm next to the big C3.
There you go. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not so sure
Where
which
the hell did
way.
the zombie go?
Which way is
There's a
it?
zombie right here.
What if I open the map? No, the map isn't helpful.
No. There's a double door over here. I think it's locked.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, it's locked. I need a card to unlock this.
Yeah.
What about the panel on the side? What does it say? Does it say anything? A card.
It says you need a car. Yeah.
What about this door? What about this door? What does
This
lead?
is the door to the main hall.
Oh, okay. Let's go to the main hall. Let's examine something else. Hold on. Open door, please. Open.
There we go.
I can't remember where to go.
Yeah, I know. I can picture the room. One of them is definitely upstairs, but there's also, I think, one downstairs. So we gotta
Okay, let's
do
try
both
this.
eventually.
Let's try this door. We haven't tried this one. Let's try
Okay.
this one.
Come on!
Come on! I'm enjoying this. Student Affairs Office. Student Affairs.
Student affairs. Let's see.
This is the room. I remember this. I remember going
yeah,
around the table while you were in there. Oh, there's a zombie.
Yeah,
Be careful.
yeah.
Be careful. Go around the table. Just don't mind the zombie. Let's go over here. Let's see where this is. This is the room. This is the room.
Whoa.
I have 30 bullets
Okay.
and an iron pipe to keep them occupied while you do your thing. Because I don't.
Oh.
I'm
I'm
calling.
gonna need the combination. I'm gonna have to look it up again because I totally forgot
Oh,
it.
hang on, there's a zombie.
Oh,
God dang it. Use some of
get
my
her.
pipe.
I gotta push this button.
Ah, the door's open.
Oh, there's a zombie coming in. Oh no, I gotta. Oh no, I gotta. Oh no, this is gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad.
Come on, dang it. The memo I found read. The memo I found said, I don't know if it helps, 927. I don't know if it helps, but
I don't think
there's a memo here that's 99. Oh, these are the numbers.
We need like a time.
Yes, it's a 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 5. 0, 3, 2, 5.
So 325.
Hey there.
Got it. Nice.
You did it.
That's vloggy status right there, saving the
Do
day.
you have enough room to pick it up? I got an empty slot if you want. 2 empty slots, actually.
Oh, my stream is up. Nobody's here though. I think everybody's long gone. Yeah, you should take it. I don't have an empty slot.
Okay.
I'll hold on to.
So we go to the main hall now, the main room. Red jewel.
Yeah, we can put that.
Oh, a zombie's here.
Find the other one. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Wow, it's fast! Wow, it's fast!
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Hey, Emily, welcome. Welcome.
Run! Running away! Running away!
Thanks so much for dropping by, Emily. Take care. Have a great day at work.
Hey, Emily, and bye, Emily.
Let's get out of here. Help me, please.
Help me!
Help me, please! Help!
Let's
Help me,
get out of
please!
here.
I'm fat.
Help me, please.
I don't do cardio. Help me!
Do you still go to the gym? Do you have time for the gym?
Oh, yeah. Well, now I go in the afternoon, so now I go at like 2 o'clock after I get off work.
There's a zombie chasing you. Keep running.
Oh, there is?
Just
Oh, wow.
Came out of the door we came through. Yeah.
He just morphed through the door on my screen.
All right. Hold on. I need to place this there. Then. Okay. I placed it. Is it
I will
open?
protect you.
But it didn't open the door. Shouldn't it open the door here?
No, we have to get one more.
Where? From where?
Upstairs.
Upstairs. Let's go.
We have to find a
I'm
room
gonna follow
with
you now.
a fireplace. I know that much. There's definitely a room with a fireplace. We gotta mess around with. And then we gotta find that, like, museum-looking room.
Museum. Yeah, where there was a piano or something? Am I right?
Yeah, there's a piano, and there's a big statue, and this one of the statues is holding another jewel.
Okay.
That I can't just lift you on my shoulders to grab because that's
I know, right?
I guess this door? I don't
Look at
really
the
know.
zombie struggling at the door. Did you see him?
Yeah, I saw him. He's trying to get in the downstairs door. Let's let him bang on that door.
Stupid zombies.
Stupid zombies. Okay, wait, have we been here?
We have been here. I remember going through here, yes, but... Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but we didn't go through this door. Hold on. We went through this one, but we didn't go through this one. We have to go through this one. Ooh, the zombie's
They're
coming
both-
out, though. The
they're-
zombie's coming
they're-
out.
they're
The
both-
zombie's coming out.
Well,
Ooh, both
okay.
rooms! Both rooms! Both zombies! Oh,
I'm just going in.
I'm just gonna go here.
I'm
for
going
now.
in.
Yeah,
Oh boy,
wait for
I'm
me
in the
there.
drawing room. Wait,
Wait
in the
for-
drawing room?
I don't know, but I went through testing passage A for now. To get rid of the
Okay,
zombies.
I
Wait for
went
me
in the
there.
drawing room.
Yeah.
Oh no. This room we don't want to be in.
Oh, I found another gun. Another gun.
Oh, wait.
Oh, I found another
I
handgun.
think I might have found the room that has the fireplace we need.
I'll be right there.
Okay. Oh crap!
Yeah.
Oh wow, a zombie came in like in the door with me.
Yeah,
Not
I
cool.
should be there to help you out. Hold on, coming. But it's a good thing I went here. I found the gun. Wait, we must
Yeah,
have
nice,
passed.
nice.
We must have passed from here like 2 times, and we missed the gun on the floor.
I'm in bleed mode.
Heal up! Heal up! Help me, please!
Help me!
I'm coming. Oh, zombie! Ah! Shoot you in the face. This game is quite the survival horror. I like it. It does give me that feeling of a survival.
Do you remember which color? Was it red or blue we pulled last time?
The jewel the jewel we got. It was red. The jewel we got. Right
The jewel we just got was red.
Yes.
Maybe the cord is blue then. Okay.
I heard something falling. Hold on. I heard something.
I may have
Yes, the hand went down. All right, I picked it up.
Oh no, crap.
Where are you? Where are you anyway?
I'm running out. I'm in the, you know that room, the drawing room that I went into? There's another room behind it.
Oh,
but I'm coming out.
Don't see the door though. Where's the door? I'm in the drawing room, but...
Run out of the drawing room!
I'm in the drawing room, but I don't see you.
I just ran through the drawing room with a zombie in tow.
Are you kidding me? I don't see. What the heck is going on?
Now I'm running across the hall.
Yeah, wait for me there. Wait for me there. I'm gonna be in the main hall.
Hey.
I'm in the art safe room, and I think that's the room we want to be in. I'm gonna go to the main hall. No! You just left the room you need to be in.
No, I picked up the jewel from there. I don't need anything else from there, no.
You did? I just picked up the jewel.
Yes, because key items can be picked up by every single player of the game, remember? Like the memos.
Oh, I'm gonna discard it.
Ooh, run! Ah, god dang it, stupid zombie!
Run downstairs. Just run downstairs, then we're done. We're done.
Yes, that's right. I'm gonna keep running. Am I bleeding? Oh, I'm on red caution. I need to be careful.
Oh, okay. I got herbs for you.
Okay, I'm in the entrance hall now. I'm gonna go place the jewelry real quick.
Okay, I'm coming that way.
And the passageway should open, yes? We should go down the stairs.
Yes.
Underneath.
Shit.
Alright. Okay. Nice and safe. It's not safe, actually. The main hall is not safe. And there's a zombie in the main hall downstairs. Be careful. I see him. Oh, there's two, actually. One of them is in
Oh boy.
Are you there?
I'm upstairs.
Oh, I
see them.
I see you.
There you are. Okay, let me give you herbs.
Zombies.
You're
Wow.
all hurt. Here.
Yes,
here,
I'll
take herbs.
Yeah,
take
I'll
herbs.
take it. I'm gonna give you my jewel.
Yeah, I'll take 2 jewels. You get it?
I got the jewel.
Oh, I heard a door open. Take it quick. I think there might be one upstairs. Did you get it?
Oh, I don't know why. It says. Why is it not working? It's not letting me take it though. Switch items. Yes. Okay, now I got it.
There.
Okay, use it.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Let's go. I gave you my gun. I gave you a gun.
Let me load bullets here. Okay, there we go.
I think we're still safe up here. I think.
Yeah. Well, we just gotta get downstairs real quick.
So you have the jewels, right? Go play the jewels.
Yeah, I got a lot of jewels.
Please help
I'll
me.
watch your back. I'll try to watch your back.
Alright. Jewel. Here we go.
Yes, it's open.
Magical door. Let's roll.
Let's roll. What does it say? Study.
Yep. Help me, please.
Help me. Help.
There's gonna be a cutscene down here if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Of the dead body.
Oh yeah.
Shit.
My character just went shit.
Shit. I think that's the first dead body he's seen or something.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm like, no, at that person. Okay, so what do we do here? I forgot. So there's a pile of memos. Oh no, there's like P-base, V-poison, T-blood. What's this? It talks about... oh, it sounds like blood from a creature infected with the T-virus. And the thing is, these words, P-base, V-poison, and T-blood, are green. It's like they are key words. I don't like that. It means we have to create something.
Oh man, did we do that last time?
I don't think
I remember making anything.
And it talks about 3 main ingredients: the incubator, the lab. The rest.
Oh, what's your percentage?
Oh,
there's more antivirus here.
I'm on 31. I got bit quite.
31. Okay. Here, you can take this.
I'll take it. Yes, please. Thank you very much. Oh, you're holding it. Well done. Thank you very much. Eat or whatever. Can I discard? I can't discard the jewel. It's okay.
Whoa, Juan! I saw that. Dang, Juan. That's how it is.
Hey, Dandy, welcome. Shoot through. Leave the dead weight behind.
Messed up. Man, I leave for a couple weeks and people just start hating on me.
Oh man. Alright, what's this? It's another antivirus, I think. There's another antivirus if you want to pick it up. There's another one here.
Oh. Okay. Yeah. Getting up there.
Oh, there's another one
Wait,
here
this
as
is
well.
this is recovery medicine.
Oh,
This is just.
Oh, okay. I got one.
That's fine.
I got one though. I'm gonna hang on. I'm gonna present it.
Yeah, use your antivirus for sure.
Yeah, but
No, you can use it.
Okay, I'll keep it then.
This is just a heal, so I'll keep it. It's still good.
I got a Wesker raid from. There's Irving.
Weskerade.
Yeah. Why am I still presenting? Okay, I'm done.
What the hell do we do in this room? What's the point of
Not
this?
so sure actually. Yes,
I don't
there's Final
remember.
Hope and there's Albert F. and Wesker. Yeah.
Albert F. and
James
Wesker.
Baker. Welcome
What
everyone.
up, Matt?
We're playing Resident Evil Outbreak, or it's actually Biohazard Outbreak.
Biohazard.
Where do we go from here, dude?
I don't remember. What the hell was the point of coming down here?
Yeah, we didn't pick up any key items, but we did pick up. Hang on, what's this computer perhaps?
We picked up
check
a
this now. I don't
file.
need to read it again.
I don't remember making anything last time. And I also don't remember even coming across.
Hang on, follow me. I think I have an idea. Hey, Irving. Hang on, I have an idea. Hold on. Remember there was an elevator that wasn't working?
Hold on, my character is fat.
Your character's fat.
You can't get upstairs very fast.
Help me!
Help me!
Help!
Matt, how are you doing, Matt? What were you playing? I'm gonna assume Resident Evil.
Yeah.
Although I left for a while and I saw Matt playing Metal Gear Solid, so look at that. He's
This way. I know it's this way for sure.
playing everything. This way. Oh well, all right.
Hey,
coming.
Albert Wesker too. Welcome. And Fido. Outbreak is awesome online. Outbreak is. Hey, Super Crier, welcome. This is the room. Remember this room? Maybe
Super Crier.
Maybe something in
I've
this
seen
room.
Crier forever. Oh, zombies in here. Zombies in here.
I
Oh,
didn't
what
see the
hell?
zombie. Really?
Well, she was, and then she disappeared. Watch out! Don't walk too forward.
Okay. I hear
I hear
noises. Yes, I hear noise. Oh! Two of them! Two of them! Two of them!
Oh, Morphin zombies! They're mighty Morphin.
Mighty Morphin
zombies.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I was playing the Dark Scott, he says. Alright, what about this? The pushing the button doesn't do anything. The elevator doesn't seem to be working. No! What do we do? Oh, there's the computer. There's the computer though. I think maybe we can restore the power or something from here. Hold on.
I like when I open a locker and it just says, you can't fit. It's too narrow. Fat boy.
Oh, the door's opening again. Someone's coming in.
Oh,
Well, not
I'm
someone.
coming.
Something
I'm
is coming in. Hold
I'm
on.
coming. Security officer True is on the scene.
There we go. I'm gonna quickly check the computer to see what it says. Hold on. Activate the elevator. Yes. Oh, it needs a
Oh,
passcode.
yeah.
It needs a passcode.
Oh, crap.
no.
Wait, I got a thing.
I picked up a memo.
Oh, the elevator code 4, and then we don't have the rest. God
4.
damn it.
Okay, so the first one is 4.
Oh,
And then I have the rest.
927.
4927. Yeah, because it was stored. 492.
There we go.
7. We're good.
Oh, I
Elevator has
found
been
a
activated.
lighter. Do we need
Elevator's
this
been
lighter for anything?
Well, you did mention the fireplace earlier. Do we need it?
Well, no, I already.
Hurry
you
up,
just
the door's
pulled
gonna
string
open
on
again.
that.
Another zombie's coming
I'm
in.
just gonna grab it because I have room running away.
Opening the elevator. Yes. Let's go, 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 go. Which floor? B4F? Let's go B4F. Let's go the first one.
Before any floor that isn't currently killing me with zombies.
So nice to have you all in chat. Guys, thank you for the Wesker raid. Oh, what's this? Oh, a pesticide spray. I remember this. But I'm not so sure what it's for. I don't know what it's for though.
Oh, is that
Hang on.
thing we have to
Hang on. I remember somebody. I remember seeing a screenshot. Somebody holding a spray with a lighter and doing like a blowtorch.
Oh!
Yeah, I
you want
remember
this
seeing
lighter?
that as a
Here.
screenshot. But
Here.
Try
take
doing
it,
that.
and I'll give me the jewel. That's stupid. And we can get rid of
I'm
that.
gonna give you my jewel. Hold on.
Oh, give me your jewels,
I'm gonna give
Bloggy.
you my jewel.
I want your jewels.
Use. Alright. Hang on, let me see if I can do this. Let's see if I picked up 2 items for nothing. Hold on.
Oh, there's someone on the floor
Combine.
here. I think I found a penny on the floor. My character's really greedy. Antidote.
It's not working.
What does that
no,
do?
it's not working. It's pesticide spray.
No?
It contains pesticide. Equip. Alright. Hang on. Check this out. Check this out. Where are you?
Poison. Oh, it's poison. Oh.
Check this out. Check
Hold
this
on.
out.
I'm in the hallway. Let me see. Oops, I went down the wrong way.
Check this out.
Where'd you go? There you go. Yeah. Why? It's in my mouth.
Please help!
Help!
Hey Andrew, this is Outbreak File 1. We're trying to finish File 1 before we get to File 2. Is it this way, perhaps?
I don't even remember coming up here, actually.
Me neither.
This,
Me neither.
Why does this look so foreign?
This is a door here. This is
Oh.
a door. Let's check out this door.
Why is there so many... Wait a minute, I see some on the wall
Hey,
here.
Geshy, welcome.
Oh, I memorized the map. Hello, Geshy. You can't see me, but you can hear me.
Oh!
Normally...
I don't think no. I was gonna remember this here, but I don't. Oh, there's a pipe. Oh, there's spiders in this game! Oh my god! Spiders! Maybe I can use the pesticide spray. Maybe I can use the pesticide spray, perhaps.
Oh, maybe. Oh my god. Oh god.
They're
so
nasty, yeah? Yeah!
Oh, Jesus Christ.
They're
Do
nasty.
we need to be in here?
I don't know. There's an iron pipe if you want to pick it up.
My character?
I'm gonna make a run for it. I'm gonna make a run for it. Let's see if I can.
Oh boy, hold on.
Ooh, no! Hang on.
Whoa! Wait, do we even need to be down here?
I don't know! Oh, I just killed a spider!
Down!
No.
I'm coming down! Oh,
No, I didn't kill the spider, but it's
going down.
flinched. It's
Jump
flinched.
down, super fat boy.
I'm going up here. Oh.
Oh, that's why there's so much poison, antidote poison in this level, because there's freaking spiders.
Yeah, be
everywhere.
careful. The spiders can even climb up the stairs.
Oh my god! Oh, that one pounced me like a freaking tiger.
Super Cry in chat is going. Spooder alert!
Spooters everywhere, man.
Oh, wow, this is a big area.
These spooters are no bueno.
This is a big area.
Oh wow, I hope this is not like a boss fight or something.
Yeah, it
There's
looks like
a
a boss area.
pipe.
Yeah.
This looks like an area that we come to at the end of the game or something.
Yeah, since I've got so many people watching right now, guys, if you want to join, if you have Outbreak working...
Whoa! I found an assault rifle.
Ooh, awesome, pick it up. Pick it up!
Well here, let me...
How many item slots does it take? Does it take 2? Like the old one? Like the old
This shows 1. Let me see. Nope,
That's
it just
good.
takes up 1.
That's good. Okay, Super Crier said burn them with fire. Do you know how to do that? I mean, am I missing something?
I think burn them with fire is actually just a saying
Just
for
an expression,
anything. I don't
yeah.
think that's a specific game.
Because I did pick up the lighter and... Anyway. We can't go
Yeah, I think burn them with fire is the answer to any situation. Oh, there's a green herb over there, but
Yeah, I'm good.
I have like...
Good for now.
Yeah. Well, you
I
should
don't
take
remember
it and
this
mix it
area.
with that. You should take it and mix it with your other green herb, and then you can pick your pesticide back or whatever.
I picked up a red nut just now. Yeah, I combined it. Wow,
Oh,
look at this
oh,
area.
nice.
It's so large. I think this is the boss area. This is where
Oh,
we fight the big boss.
Yeah,
area. This is what it looks
must
like.
have to. You must have to come down here for something.
Thank you, Matt. You know, Albert just said, he said, nothing better than a vloggy true cooperate.
Oh yeah. Especially when we're lost. I'm gonna run this way a little bit. Probably not walkable. Oh, whoa! I ran into a subway tunnel. I didn't think you'd actually go this far.
Hang on, I'm gonna follow you. Hold on.
Oh, there's like
At least there's no
There's
zombies
stuff.
down here. It's kind of safe.
yeah. How come I don't remember any of this from the last time we played?
Oh, I'm going all the subway tunnel as well. I'm coming there. Let's see what it
Yeah.
takes us. Matt needs food. Take
Okay.
your time, buddy. And we need to know what you ate. And we need to know what you have.
Yeah, and you need to give us some.
Wow, we've
Okay, I'm
never been
jumping
here.
into this. Yeah, I'm jumping into the subway car. How have we never been here?
Yeah,
Where
we've-
the hell are those stupid sharks?
Yeah, I think we took another door last time. You remember the elevator has quite a number of floors, so.
Yeah, well, I guess.
Oh, watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Wow, he's fast.
I sprayed him.
Oh, you sprayed him. That was nice.
I sprayed him like a boss. Okay, I'm gonna
there's
put
a
my
first
gun.
aid spray there. There's there's like multiple. Oh, there's another pesticide spray here.
Yeah, I think the pesticide is for the spiders. I think. Is this an umbrella? I can pick up this umbrella? No.
Oh, 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 oh! I went through a door.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you. Oh, there's another assault rifle here. Oh, wow! I'm gonna pick this up.
Nice. Yeah, get it.
Okay, I picked it up. Screw the pesticide spray.
Oh, zombie. Lady lawyer zombie. Oh, damn it, she bit.
Lady lawyers on me.
Die, lawyer scum.
You okay, bud?
Oh, crap. Add ammo, add ammo.
Hold on. No, she's gone. Do you hang on, I'll give you some ammo. Hold on, there's a zombie coming.
No, I'm fine. I had a second gun.
Okay. There we go. Is that a wallet? Can I pick that up? No.
You gonna steal that guy's wallet? That's
Is that a soda can? Can I pick that up?
soda. I can't get that. We got a red herb. Oh, I already have a mixed herb.
This is okay. This is a dead end. Doesn't open, but it looks like it leads
Oh, I'm
somewhere
in-
here.
Caution. So, okay, I'm heading out with you. I think so. There we go.
All right, so we're at the end of the tunnel, literally.
Oh wow.
Oh look, there's another door here.
There a bunch of herbs there. I might use
It's just
one.
one. Yeah, you can have it. Yeah. Oh! Now I see why there's the pesticide spray. Oh my goodness!
Where?
Like giant ants or bees or wasps. Yes, keep running! Head to the door! Head to the door! Head to the door! Head to the door! Oh my goodness!
Going in. Me too. Not cool.
Okay,
Not
Super Crier.
cool.
Take your time.
Super quiet. Bring us some brunch too.
Who's getting over his fear of spiders.
Everybody. Oh, yeah.
Hold on. I think we can push this. Hold on. I think we can push this. Looks like it can be pushed. Look.
Oh, let's push it this way out of the way of the door.
Yeah. Can you do that? Oh, there's a zombie coming. I'm gonna.
Oh, no, I guess I can't. Oh, my character won't do it.
Okay, hold on. There's a zombie coming.
Okay. Make it behind the cart.
Oh, god
You should
dang
back
it.
up. No!
Oh, two of them.
Oh, no! You get off the Vloggy.
My goodness. This game is hard, huh?
Security guard, Mark is on the thing. Yeah, this game's hard. Oh, another one! Oh, another lawyer zombie!
Let's just make a run for it. This way.
Alright.
Not sure where.
Wow, there's
This
so
door I
many
found.
doors here.
Yeah, I
Where
know.
the hell are we?
What about this? Oh, look at this.
Oh.
Follow me over here.
Let me crawl on your butt there.
Yeah, that's what the bug spray is for then. Those, did you see the wasps?
Yeah, that was huge, man!
Where
Not
are we
cool.
now? We keep discovering new areas. This game-
Yeah.
There's more wasps! Run, buddy, run!
Oh, no.
Oh, man.
Oh, are we crawling out of here?
Okay, I'm getting out of here.
Oh, yeah, there's nothing here.
Help me!
Help me!
I can't be around the clown without screaming and having nightmares.
Wow, man, that's serious clown badness. Dang, that's...
There was
sucks.
nothing there, it's just herbs, eh?
Yeah, just some herbs. Wanna go in here?
Let's take a look here. The door's locked, but it's quite flimsy, the lock. So maybe we can push
Oh.
it open. Yeah, maybe we can do this. Come on, help me, please. Help me, please!
Oh,
what
wrong
if
button.
I-
There we go.
What if I had
Yeah, I have to... Oh, you do the same service.
Yeah, but I have to
But you
unequip my gun.
Yeah, that's what I have to do. But you can melee with your gun. I can't do that.
Yeah, I don't know where to use my gun.
You have a cool cop kick. I gotta shoot that.
Oh, yeah, I can do the kick as well.
Oh.
Perhaps? I wonder.
It looks cooler anyway.
I'll teach you, door.
Please help me!
Help me, I'm too fat to be kicking doors open.
Come here!
This is a sturdy ass.
Come on!
Am I even hitting the door, or is it just you?
I think it's shaking. I mean, I don't know. Wow. You know what I just noticed? Look at our shadows. They look so pixelated and square.
It's true, it's
actually
true.
very.
It reminds me of Tekken 2. It reminds me of Tekken 2.
It's like we're. It's like they're not shadows of us.
I just remember Tekken 2. Wow, I should see that.
Yeah, Tekken 2.
Round 1.
Fight. Okay, this door is.
Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Get it.
Wow, this door better have gold on the other side.
Can you imagine if there's nothing but wasps in there?
Oh,
Storeroom.
God.
So I think it's just a bunch of goodies, I think.
Alright, well, it better have some items for us. I gotta equip my gun again, who knows?
Oh, there's a zombie! Be careful! Be careful!
Oh, Jesus Christ! That's exactly why I needed my gun. Oh god, I'm gonna charge it. Oh god, get my gun out. Where's my gun? Ah, oh! Owie.
I'm gonna equip my gun as well.
Oh, you're poisoned.
Oh wow, I just realized. Oh wow, I didn't
You
know.
need...
Be careful! The gun!
crap.
The zombie's coming back.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, wow, and
I gotta use mine. We passed all those...
Yeah, the blue herbs, we didn't notice.
Yeah, you
Anything
definitely
here?
need the blue herb.
Very
I don't
still.
have anything.
I'm just gonna quickly use this. Okay.
Is there nothing in here? Did we really break into this room, get attacked by a
No, there's
zombie
another
for
door.
absolute...
I think there's another door that we can go through, so maybe that
okay.
has something good. I don't know. It's actually useless, this room. I saw something sparkly here.
Oh, wait a minute.
The blue herb! Is
opening?
that a blue herb? I see a blue herb. Is that a blue
I don't
herb?
know.
Yes, yes. Ah,
Oh, good.
there
Nice.
we go. Ah, much better.
Oh, yeah, there's a door here. Alright.
Hey!
How do I reload? I forgot. I have to do it manually, do
you
I?
have to- yeah, manually, you right-click or you click ammo.
There we go.
Yeah, I am,
I'm gonna open this door, see where it takes us. Oh, it's locked.
No,
Let's
that's
have a
where
look.
we came in.
Is this where we came? No.
Oh.
This is the one we came
Oh,
from.
you're right, you're right.
But it's
Okay,
a,
so
it's
the-
another flimsy door, so we have to kick again.
Oh,
look
wait, I
at
can
that.
use this thing.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that! Secret passage!
I don't see it.
go.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Instead of kicking down the door, that's awesome. Can I lock you in now? Can I push the...
Hey! Spare power supply room. Maybe there better be some key item in here we need. Ooh, I see a lot of shiny things. There's a switchboard. Operate it? Yeah, sure. Oh, I don't know what the hell this is.
Oh, wow, what is this place? What is this?
Oh, there's like a puzzle situation going
There's a
on
bunch
here.
of cables and wires here. What does it say? I must be careful where I walk. Okay,
What the
whatever.
hell?
Wow, this looks like a puzzle.
Oh, this is a weird puzzle that I have no idea
The
how
wires
or
have been
why it
connected
does.
haphazardly. And there's a lighter apparently again. I picked up another lighter. I don't know why, but
Oh, okay.
interesting. What does it say when you check it?
Oh, here, I'll let you. There's
Oh,
like,
wait,
I
yes.
think you have to light up all the buttons at once, and when you press certain buttons, other ones go out.
Oh, we need to Google this. You want to Google it real quick? Or would you like me to do it?
Yeah.
I can do it if you want.
While you're doing it, I have the walkthrough up here.
Ah, that's awesome! Can you imagine if I figured this out before you look up the walkthrough?
Yeah. Oh my God, this walkthrough is so long.
I know.
Yeah,
I finished this walkthrough
got-
once, but just once.
got
I finished this
jewels.
scenario once, but...
Oh, there was a grenade launcher in the main
This
building.
reminds me of the Resident Evil 3 puzzle, kind of.
Oh yeah, huh?
The one with the oil or something. It says something. Oh, too many attempts, I think, and it failed.
If you go to
Oh, I did it! I did it! I did it! The power has
Oh.
been supplied. This power has been supplied to the emission tower, whatever that is. Oh, I just figured this out. Unbelievable. I said it as a joke. Can you imagine if I figured it out before you actually? And I did it! I'm a freaking boss.
So what did that do?
It says the power has been supplied to the emission tower. So I think we now have opened something. I assume. Okay, we're done from this room then.
Okay, so we did something good.
Yeah, we must have. Oh, you unlocked it. That's good.
Oh, you crawl through.
I was gonna, but I saw you unlock it right in time. Beer.
Alright.
This beer is berry flavored. Berry flavored beer.
Ooh.
Berry? Where is
that?
Barry?
Barry Twice beer. Where's Barry Twice?
Oh, Barry twice. I met Barry twice, by the way. Did I tell you that?
You met him?
Yeah, I was in Amsterdam.
What?
I met him, yes. I was in Amsterdam last week.
That's awesome.
And I texted him, I was like, do you want to hang out? He's like, yeah. We went to have Chinese. We took pictures. Yeah, he's cool.
Oh, what the hell? You guys should have streamed. What the hell?
No, we can't stream because I do have my computer with me. Made it this way?
That's cool though.
Let's see where this thing is.
Yeah, I don't think we went. Oh, it's not me.
Watch
Go,
out,
just go,
Kevin!
just go, just go, just go. Control room. That sounds important.
What
There's
is
probably a
this?
zombie gonna come in pretty quick.
Yeah, because we just left one there.
Oh, I'm gonna use...
September 17th, we don't have enough poison for the compound. I vaguely remember there's being a wasp nest in the emission tower. Fantastic! The emission tower, the one we just unlocked. There's a wasp nest. My goodness. Granted that I'm stuck without the necessary components, I guess I have to head there after I get equipped with some protective gear. Okay, so we have to head there because we need to pick up an important chemical apparently. Various measuring devices. Various measuring devices.
Yeah.
I'm opening this drawer. Let's see what's inside.
Oh, handgun rounds.
Yeah, pick them up. Yeah, take them. Sometimes I think you're better than me with the gun.
Let's see.
Let's see if I can open this drawer. It's locked with a simple lock. I don't have a simple lock. A messy desk. Nothing notable here.
Here, do you need a... Here, take the rest of the ammo. It's only 5, but...
You sure?
Better than that. Yeah, because I just loaded my whole gun. Here.
Hold on.
Are you hiding in there while I'm trying to hand you ammo? Your locker's open.
The thing is this, I wanted to see if there's anything in the locker, but he just opens it and gets in. I mean, it's not like...
Yeah.
It doesn't give you an option. Would you like to get in? No.
My character just opens it and goes, hey, fatty, you can't fit in there.
Alright, combine. Can I? Oh, I have 2 left. Okay, so I got 15 and 2 left. That's good. Alright, I think we're done here, though. I don't think there's anything else.
Yeah.
Let's head back to the elevator. What are we doing? Taking a drink?
Whoa! Whoa! There's an assault rifle magazine in the water container.
Awesome! I thought you were having a drink.
Wow! Yeah. It's a good thing I was thirsty. My character, he's fat, man. He was thirsty.
All that running. Hey, Chase! We were just talking about you.
Chase, how you doing, man? Long time no see.
We were talking about how sometimes we're on a random stream and we run into you. Like, oh, there's a familiar user here. There's Chase.
Chase.
Oh, be careful! Be careful!
Running! Run! Go up this one. I don't know where it goes.
Go!
My character cut off it for some reason.
Where are we now? Air exhaust tower access way. Oh, we're heading towards the tower.
That's where we want to go, right?
I think so. Because combined with one person, kind of.
Oh wow, yeah, it's teamwork.
Where are we now? What is this?
Oh boy.
Oh, another pesticide spray. Fantastic.
Wow, that is everywhere. We better not need that to like kill the boss or something. It's gonna be like, oh, you didn't bring your pesticide spray?
Oh, hang on, there's something here. There's something here. Hold on.
The store says do not enter.
Handgun. Handgun. I'm gonna replace it with the lighter.
Nice.
Yeah.
The store says do not enter. It's daring me.
Okay, me too. What does this button do?
Air exhaust tower lower part.
Final Hope says I always hide my ammo in water coolers.
Yeah, duh.
Oh, watch out! Watch out, bees!
Oh, bees!
I think this is the water tower, I think. Run for it! Where do we go?
There's nothing here.
There's something here, hold on, what's this? Oh, get in!
Oh, I'm getting in. I'm getting in, I hope.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Sweet zombie Jesus.
Hey, Cheer, what's up?
Oh, we took Western.
Oh, keep running!
Oh boy.
I missed the pesticide spray!
I missed all that anti-poison. Run so fast.
Oh my goodness! Oh, I got hit!
Oh no!
I'm on 50%, by the way.
Yeah, I'm at like 60 already.
How much longer?
We haven't even gotten to the sharks. Are they even necessary?
What's all
I
this?
get attacked by sharks for no reason.
Man?
How long is it?
Oh, look at you!
Wow, Jesus.
My goodness, you're quite the big guy for a monster. That's good.
Oh my god, that had to hurt.
Please help!
Can you imagine if we're heading towards the final boss?
Yeah, this is very different from our last playthrough. Ow, I got stabbed again. I think I might be poisoned. Oh, I can't even.
Oh, we made it! We made it!
Oh, Jesus.
Oh my goodness. The final is like, if only they gave us some sort of a spray.
Yeah, I know. Why don't they give us some pesticide spray like I've been asking for? Oh,
we're both on poison.
Yep. That's bad.
Switch. No, don't.
And we have one healing item between the both of us.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Alright, please don't be any bugs in here. Oh, I hear them.
Ooh, run! Oh, pesticide spray! Pesticide spray!
Okay, you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
I think I got some too. I got bee poison. I think we need that, right? To
Yeah.
do
Where are they
thing.
all coming from?
Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? Hang on. We need to go up the stairs. Up the stairs. Oh my goodness!
Going up.
Yeah.
Oh, holy Jesus Christ! My ass hurt.
Please!
Oh, the door! I'm gonna go through it because I don't want to die.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Go through the door.
Oh my goodness, how stressful this is. Oh my goodness, this is too stressful for me.
This is so stressful, man. This is. Oh, there's a first aid spray.
Yeah, you can have it.
Take it.
No, you have it. You have it. You have it. You can have it. It's fine.
Alright.
Antivirus, I'll take that. Thank you very much.
Oh, it doesn't cure poison. I just wasted that first aid spray.
Oh,
I thought first aid spray cures poison too.
I picked up V-poison too, apparently.
Oh, okay, I don't know. Oh wow, there's another. I wonder.
What do we do with the V-poison though?
That's a good question. I got
Antidote.
another.
I found an antidote. I'm sorry. I
Nice.
need it. I would give that to him.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'll protect you with my life. I'll try.
I got 2 assault rifle magazines.
That's good. That's good.
And there's a.
Let's go through this door. Let's see where this takes us. Well, I'll wait for you. Hang on.
Yeah. Ready.
Come on!
Come
If
on!
anything comes, let me do the shooting because I got a lot of
Yeah, it's true.
rifle ammo.
Maybe it's for the boss though. Oh, look, cutscene! Look at that!
Whoa, whoa!
He's wearing
This thing's too
underpants!
huge. These 9mm
Tyrant's not wearing any
useless.
pants.
Almost got it. Hold on.
Underpants.
Calm down. You must
Look at that.
nearby.
That Nikolai. Oh, is it? No, he looks like him. No? He's like, ooh, look at that.
Oh.
Hey,
What's he doing?
something's wrong. So
he's
let's
stealing
keep
his
distance
blood.
then.
Uh-oh.
What
Oh.
You!
He's like the same mercenary from the States, like Carlos.
Yeah.
The they have on their backs.
The UBCS or whatever.
Yeah.
Impressive.
That guy's stuck
I
on his
won't
arm.
underestimate it next time. It must be going to the man. Might as well set it up.
But was just like Tyrant with a speedo. I know everybody's
guess
laughing in chat.
They wanted to hide his junk in this game, I guess.
Oh, look at this. Oh, there's blue earth over here. Help yourself, buddy.
Oh, yes.
Look at the view. It's
Oh,
a beautiful
yes.
view. Look at the bridge.
Oh, yeah.
Man, we are far away from the shore.
I'm gonna... Okay.
Okay, I have a feeling this is where we're gonna fight the boss. Or not, I don't know.
Oh, let me... Hold on, there was a healing item back there. I'm gonna grab it in this room.
There's a red herb here as well. Not sure what.
But I don't have any green herbs.
I am at 55% virus. What are you at?
I am at 64. Oh, wait. Oh, I went in the wrong door. I don't know where the hell I am. How did I get here?
Hang on, I found something here on the floor. Hold on, what's this guy? Story here. Ah, I found the card key. Okay. We needed the card key earlier. I remember there was a door which required a card key. But I don't remember which door it was though. I'm not gonna pick it up because I'm full. Do you have any
Oh, yeah, I'll grab it. I was gonna grab an item here.
There was another door as well. There was another door.
Yeah, the door right next to where we came in. It
Yeah.
takes you to a hallway on the side of the building.
So,
Backside.
is it important? Do we need to go there?
I don't know. There's like a walkway, but I didn't see. Let me grab this key card first. Where are you? I don't know where you are.
Keep
Place
walking.
is huge.
Yeah,
Jesus.
keep walking further up. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see the dead umbrella guys. Yeah.
Yeah, next to the truck.
Oh, there's like a.
Oh wait, hold on. This is the door with the key card.
There's a red herb and a green herb.
A card reader. This is it. Oh, I know where this is gonna take us. I know.
Where's the card?
Hold on. Where are you? I don't see you.
I'm at this gate.
Oh, I see you. There you are. Yeah, yeah. Go back. Go back.
Oh.
There's a.
Oh, is this
he's
key
holding a
card?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Can we
people
use
are
it
saying if it's
right
Nikolai.
here?
Yeah. I don't know if
It's a.
doesn't look like
It
Nikolai.
could
though.
be.
Yeah,
It was like a
white
really
hair.
bad version of him. Oh, it worked.
Did it work? Yes, it did.
Come on!
It looked like him, kind of. Yeah. First floor, passage B. I think we're back. I think we're back to where we came from.
Oh, that.
Yeah, there we are.
University?
There we are. Look at this. Remember this area?
Oh wow, we are.
How are you health-wise? You're fine. Okay.
Health, I'm fine. Yeah.
I'm gonna pick this up real fast. Hold on.
Virus-wise, not so good. Okay, let me see. Do we need this key card anymore? Okay, this door's open. Hold on, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna make some herbs from all this stuff out here. Because there's like a red herb and a green herb, and we don't need this key card anymore.
Where are you? I don't see you.
I went back in the big outdoor place
Okay.
with the dead umbrella dudes.
Okay. I'll wait for you here.
I'm just gonna.
I'm wondering.
Make some
I think we need to go
herbage.
to the sharks area, though. I think we need to find the area with the sharks again.
Yeah, probably.
Because remember, we had to pick up 3 items. We only picked up 1 so far.
Yeah, I left mine because you have that because we can all pick
Yeah,
the
exactly.
items, so
Yeah, exactly.
we don't need to waste all our inventory space. Okay.
True. How do you pronounce this word? D-I-U-G-H. Because Wesker,
yeah.
he's like a tyrant with a tyrant with a D-I-U-G-H. What's that?
With a D.
A tyrant with a D.
That's Matt and Emily speak.
Which way? Is it this way?
Where are we going?
We have to head back to the main area, the main hall.
Oh, okay, yeah, then it's...
We need to get the elevator once again. Okay, we just run. If you see any zombies, try to dodge. Let's not waste any
Yeah.
time. Oh, there's a red herb here. I don't know. Oh no! Oh, dogs! Zombie dogs! Run, buddy, run!
Oh no!
Run,
Running.
Come on!
Oh, you zombie bastards. Oh, oh. Oh, we don't play that.
Is this an herb? We can pick this up? Yes, we can. But I'm full. I'm not gonna pick it up. Let's go. Keep running, zombies! Keep running, zombie dogs!
More zombie dogs!
Zombie pooches!
Help it! Help it!
Help me, please!
Help! Play!
Oh my goodness, the tyrant's here! Oh my
Oh.
goodness, the tyrant's here! Run! Follow me! Run!
Alright, I'm running.
Run! Oh my goodness, he's so fast! Run! No, don't bother. This is not how we kill him.
Here!
Oh, okay.
Don't bother with him.
Oh, he
Don't-
disappeared. I don't know where he
Did he?
just went. He totally disappeared off my screen.
Oh wow.
Like he was right in front of me and disappeared.
Teleported. Okay, I'm gonna wait for you by the elevator.
Okay. Holy Jesus Christ!
Is he in
he's
here?
watching with me.
What? Wait.
Oh.
Get in. B2F. Go to B2F.
Okay, B2F. Running away.
Oh my goodness, so
Oh
stressful.
my god!
Are you okay, dude?
He's so fast! He's so fast!
Help me! Please, help! Help!
I'm so glad
Please, help!
that my stream
Help!
is broken and nobody saw me just like
Oh
scream
man,
like a
I'm
little
gonna
girl.
miss that actually. I usually like to watch your streams. We are safe here though. I think we're safe here.
Holy crap. Oh, this is the area. Oh, these fucking sharks.
Yeah, yeah, not good.
Hey, there's a guy over here. Hey, you.
There's a guy. Oh, there's a guy. Oh, it's George. Hello, too. I thought region compounds were stored.
Oh, he's got some antivirus. Oh, I'm gonna take some of that. I am way high.
Yeah, I'll take some too. Assault rifle magazine. Did you drop it? Did you just drop that? You must
I
have
dropped it. You can
Okay.
take it though.
No, have it. It's fine.
Oh, there's. Well,
Antivirus.
yeah, there's like.
I'll
some-
pick up the antivirus. Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah.
This scenario is so long. You need antivirus.
Yeah.
So is it this door?
Did you get there's recovery medicine here if you need it. You're
Oh,
on
yes,
caution. You
please,
should
yes.
use it.
Yes, please,
Just
I'll take
yeah, it's right there. Just use it now. Oops.
Okay, I'll take it. Yeah, I'll take it. Hold on. Oh, that much better. Yes, I'm fine now.
Yeah.
Wesker was timed out by Nightfall for 5 seconds. Sorry, buddy. Don't
Albert
offend
Wesker.
Nightbot. Nah, it's Wesker too, though. It's Wesker too. Okay, let's go through here. See where he takes us.
did you do, Mr. Albert?
Oh my goodness, that tyrant. He's gonna chase us around everywhere.
Ah, dang it.
Oh no,
This
this is where we're done. This is where we die.
Oh, what's this?
Handgun magazine. I'm gonna leave it here for now.
First aid spray here, but actually, you know what? Well, I'll take it just to
So,
replace my herbs.
But Wesker's like he was gonna raid you. I don't know if you can read my chat. Are you following my stream? Are you
Oh yeah,
okay,
I'm
okay.
looking at it.
So there's no need for me to explain what's going on.
Right. Yeah, my OBS is being super potato right now.
Speed
Yeah.
potato.
Yeah, it's super potato status. Yeah, normally I would be streaming as well, but I don't know, OBS or my connection or YouTube, somebody hates me right now, so it's just not working.
Okay, Drew, are you ready?
Alright. I don't think so, but let's go on.
Run, buddy, run! I'm running! Watch out!
He's over there. He's over there. That's good.
I'm
That's
running.
good.
Don't pick up the items. Don't pick up the items.
Oh, I'm not in front of you. Oh God, he was awesome.
I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
I'm almost there too.
I made it. I
Yes.
made it. I made it to the other side.
Yes.
I made it to the other side.
Oh, I forgot how that song goes.
I must have run 1,000 miles.
No!
No! Don't tell me. This is as far as we got last time.
No, I just got network error and it disconnected me.
No way! No way! No freaking way! Seriously?
It just dropped me completely. I missed it. No.
Do you think you can? I don't think you can join back, can you?
Oh,
This is as far as we made it
so-
last time. Unbelievable!
I know we
No
just got
way.
to the part we.
No freaking way! I'm gonna go up the stairs. This time I'm gonna go up the stairs. I want to see what's up here.
Yeah.
No
Oh my
way.
God.
Do you think you can join again?
Let me try.
Dang it! Man.
I've never seen that before. Like, even on all our crappy playthroughs where we get stuck, it never just disconnected me.
Yeah. Remember when one of us would just pass out?
Yeah, the other one of our characters just died. On the
I'm
other
like,
person.
Drew, why are you standing still? And then,
Like, I'm not standing still. You're standing still. Oh my gosh! Why must this game hate us so much?
I know.
Oh!
Are you back? Please tell me.
Oh
you're
no
back.
no! I'm just watching your stream.
Oh, I just realized something. We went round in circles. Ooh. We went round in circles.
Eh. Know what this means? Let me see.
What about if we go down here? We haven't been down here. Oh man, I miss you. Does it still say that you're online with me? Hold on.
Like on Discord?
It doesn't really say that. I don't know. It doesn't say you're online now. Not sure
On
how
Discord?
No, I mean on the game. On the game. Like,
Oh yeah.
see if you're still on
Yeah,
the
no. You were in room 2, right?
oh, I don't know. Yeah, I think it was. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Nah, yeah. The game's not there anymore.
Dang it. Oh man. There's a puzzle now. I was relying on you to fix it for me. Oh man. What do we do?
But I don't know. I mean, I want to do it again, but I'm like, I can't. I'm like an early bird now. I thought we might be able to finish this in one go.
Oh my goodness. Well, maybe we can give it another try next time, perhaps.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely. Definitely
And,
try
and
it
if
again.
it does,
but-
if it does happen again, the network error will skip this scenario, perhaps. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, and I'll test my stream before. I don't know why my stream's so. It's being straight potato status. Matt said it best. Being super potato right now.
That's weird. That's because you updated. You see, never update.
I know. I updated this afternoon. Like, oh, look at that! It needs an update. I'll do it now, so everything goes smooth tonight. Like, hell.
Antivirus. I'll take it. I'm gonna see if I can finish this, or should I not? Just for the element of surprise next time, perhaps. What should I do? Burst rounds. Wow. I found like
First round?
yeah, like grenade rounds.
Oh, not yeah. The walkthrough said there's a grenade launcher somewhere in that university area.
Of course, yeah. A grenade launcher in university, of course. Let's see. Oh man, I wish you were here. I'm missing you.
I know, this sucks.
Oh wow. New areas. It's electronically locked. There's nothing I can do here. It's a dead end. Maybe I can study the area for a bit. So next time I think we're gonna rush through the areas now. I think next time we're gonna do much better than we did today.
Yeah, now that we know, we were just getting the cobwebs out for this run.
Exactly. Exactly. We're gonna be pros next time. There's nothing in this room. There's nothing in this room. Electronically locked, but it's all about jumbles of wires. Complex jumbles of wires. Complex. Nothing. Nothing.
Come on!
Nah, it's no fun without you. It's not fun without you. I'm trying to.
You have to save Raccoon City.
I have to save the game. I wish there was a way I can save the game.
Oh yeah, I know, that'd be nice.
What if I jump into the water? Let's see if I can jump into the water. Oh, I know what to do here. Okay. I have an idea. Or not. Feels like it. Feels like I can. Hold on. Or not. Come on. Maybe I can hang across with the pipe. Feels like I can. Really? I can. Hang on. Maybe from here. Yes! Look at this!
I'm watching. Well, I'm watching what they're saying, so the way when you talk and when the game plays, it's a little delayed.
Yeah,
so.
exactly.
Let me see.
Is something gonna come out of the water? Is something gonna jump?
Be
Try.
careful. If those sharks are back.
I'm almost there. It's not fun without you though.
Oh yeah, I see you crawling across the pipe now. Nice. My character might be a little too out of shape for that. He might not.
Ooh,
make
can you imagine if it says you're too fat to do this?
Come across to the side, like, help me, I can't.
There's nothing on the other side though. There's nothing except for first
Just to
rounds.
build a boat for me.
There's nothing on the other side though. Oh, hang on. There it is. Ooh, wow. Ooh, okay. Now I get it. Okay. I'm gonna check out this area and then I'm gonna stop. Help me, please! I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna check out what's over here, so we'll have an idea for next time. When are we gonna play again next time? True. I wanna play again.
I can do same time next week. If that it works for you.
Same time next week. Let's see. No, today week I finish work at 7. Oh, there's a cutscene. There's a cutscene. What's this?
Oh. Share.
Of course.
Leon and Kevin should have a Who is Computer competition. Wah, wah, wah.
Because the game isn't hard enough. This scenario threw everything at us. Zombies, zombie dogs, you name it.
Yeah. Oh, seeing the cutscene now. What the hell is that? Frog people?
Frog. A frog-ified hunter. Ooh, yeah, they're making the same hunter noises though. A key with a red tag. Okay, I found a key with a red tag. Oh.
Literally someone that or not Beetle. I want to say Beetle, but it's not Beetle. That's Virus.
Yeah. What the heck? There's more of them coming! Holy crap! Run, buddy, run! Mark is cuter. Oh no, why am I going into the water? Why am I going into the water? They're faster swimmers. Why am I doing this? He's gonna swallow me whole. He's gonna swallow me whole, isn't he?
Run, doggy.
Oh, he got me! Oh, he did swallow me whole! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
I can't see it yet.
Hang on, he didn't. He's cut me out. Oh, he grabbed me again.
What the hell?
Oh, crap! Crap! Oh gosh. Crap, they're surrounding me. I can't move. I'm stun locked.
Swimming right now. That seems like a
stun
bad
locked.
idea.
Yeah, I'm stun locked right now. They're taking turns.
Oh my god, he did swallow you. What the hell? Oh yeah.
No, it's not gonna work. I got stun locked.
Wow.
They're taking turns right now. Oh, there we go. He swallowed me whole now.
Wow.
Oh, help me, please! Oh man!
I'm sorry, I can't help you.
Oh man, that was awesome. That was so good. That was so good. Man, I look forward to playing this again next time. So next time, today week, I finish work at 7 in the morning. So 7, if it's 7 my time. So yeah, if I finish work at 7 in the morning, that would mean that I get home at 7:30, which is right now. Right now it's 7:30. So the stream would have to start now. I don't know if it's too late for you. Probably it is, eh?
It's a little late,
Yeah.
but I think because I'm off tomorrow, so I'd be off tomorrow next week too. So I can mess
if
up my
you're
sleep
off-
cycle
hang
for
on.
one night. So
Hang on, if you're off tomorrow, maybe we can try again tomorrow. I don't know what you're like, what your work is like, but maybe, hang on. Because tomorrow, I'm working a morning shift, so... it's fine. I'll message you.
Okay.
I'll
Yeah, we'll
message
figure it
you.
out.
Everyone, Super Cry's like, gulp, num num num.
No,
No! Help me, please! Oh man, I
I
wish there
bet
was
he
a
was
way.
delicious.
I wish there was a way we can play with unlimited ammo and infinite health.
Yeah, I know. Just so we can like make it through once at least.
Yeah, I want to show you something
This game
actually.
is-
I want to show you something. I'm not so sure if it's this one or the other actually though. Let's see. Hold on. Hang on, let me see if I can show you here. I don't know if it's this game or the other. Hold on. Because in one of the saves, I have like infinite ammo, or yeah. Let me see. How do I exit? End next. I want to show you what it's like to, the save that I got when I installed the game and I downloaded the save files.
Oh yeah.
I had
and
everything.
you had all the people.
Yeah, I have everything unlocked. Everything. And when there was a save file, I'm like, let me continue from where it left off. Let's see what point they arrived in the game. And there was a random save point, and he's got like infinite ammo and all that stuff. Like, whoa, look at him. He's got a rocket launcher. Let me see if I can show you real quick.
What?
So, single play.
How you got that save file? And I did not.
Scenario. Let's see. No, this looks like starting over though. No. 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 This is not to continue. No, this is a brand new Let's Play. No. Maybe it's Outbreak File 2 then. Maybe it's Outbreak File 2. Should I reset? Let me reset real quick. Let me switch to File 2. Yeah, reset. This is Outbreak File 2. I don't know if you checked that out before.
Oh, I mean, I turned it on just to make sure it worked, but I haven't actually played it.
Let me see if I can continue from here. It sucks that you can't save. I mean, anyway, it's not like you can save online.
Yeah.
Biohazard.
Save play. Yeah, continue. I want to show you something.
Alright.
What's this? Infinity. Look at that. You see it says easy infinity. Well, you're going to see it because there's a delay. You'll see it.
Oh, yeah. I'll see you in a sec.
So it's this save file that I've got everything unlocked. Look at him. He's holding a rocket launcher. Everything is infinite.
Oh, yeah. Wow. See it now.
See if I can do a demo shoot real quick. Hold on. Oh wow! The door opened. The door opened with the shot. I shot at the door with the rocket launcher, and the door just flew open.
Oh, nice.
Let me try again.
At least that's realistic.
I want to shoot a zombie now. Come on. Of course, zombies everywhere, but now that I have a rocket launcher, I won't find any zombies around. Oh, I recognize this area. I recognize this area. It's from Resident Evil Outbreak File 1. So awesome.
Wait, did you just... I just saw you shoot that door open. Did you just shoot the door open, but it didn't hurt the zombie in front of the door?
That wasn't a zombie, though. That was a...
Oh, was that just a person?
Yeah, these are the AI. They're following me around.
Oh.
I can't find the zombie. Of course I can't find the zombie now. The area we're in, we played in Resident Evil Outbreak, the first scenario, when we're doing the escape from the city. It's the exact area, but this time we actually get into the inn.
Oh, yeah.
Not sure if you remember the area, but it's where a truck picked us up.
Yeah, that's right. They got stopped.
Yeah.
They got stopped because there was a block or something. Yeah.
Exactly, yeah. I want to try and see if I can find a zombie. Hold on. Alright, so this door is definitely locked. It won't open. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, Barry!
Oh,
we were just talking about you, Barry!
Buried twice.
I was just talking about you, Barry!
His ears were ringing.
I was saying that we that we ran into each other.
Yeah,
exactly.
you and Vloggy, BFFs over there, getting all jelly.
I don't know which way I need to go. Barry's up early. I think he's got early classes today. That's my that's what I'm sensing. Early classes. Try to find a zombie. Come on. No zombies. Seriously. Oh, hold on. What's this? Manhole. Let's go down the manhole. BFF hype. So we can talk about it because I told him not to talk about it.
Oh.
it was a secret Amsterdam adventure. It still kind of is, but it still kind of is. Well, you can mention it. Yeah, it's fine. You can mention it.
Just between us and the internet, alright?
Yeah. Between us and the internet. Yeah, that's right. Come on, I can't find anything to shoot. I have a rocket launcher.
Must be a really easy level because there's no zombies in it.
I know, right? We're gonna enjoy this. We are gonna enjoy this. Nothing. I gave up. There's nothing. I got a rocket launcher for nothing.
Right.
Trying to offer me something. Yoko. Alright, I'm gonna call it. There's nothing else. But I wanted to show you the rocket launcher. I love how Mark goes on his knee. It's like he's proposing. Alright, that's it. Just want to show this off. Alright, guys, thank you all so much for hanging out. Thank you, True, for playing with me. I look forward to play some more Outbreak with you. We need next time. I think we're gonna do better next time because
yeah, we'll do better, and I'm gonna make sure my computer actually works properly.
Yeah. It's fine. We familiarize ourselves with the areas anyway, and I think we're gonna speedrun it next time. We're gonna speedrun it.
Yeah, total speedrun.
Total speedrun.
I am the speedrun Resident Evil champion, as the world knows, so it's gonna be super speedrun status.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you, True, and I'll see you guys next time.
Adios.
Bye.
Bye, Barry. Sorry.
See
You
ya.
just got here.
Sorry. Bye.